上是。
那我怎么回去啊？
你打车回去啊？
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn beginner Chinese with the series Something Just Like This, 青春创世纪, Episode 1. The link of the original video is given in the description.
你怎么说的？
实话实说了。
你是怎么说的? What did you say? 怎么 means how, what, why. In this context, it means what. The structure of this sentence is 是 plus sentence plus the. This structure is used to talk about details like what, why, when. The note is 是 can be omitted. Shi, second tone, means reality. Hua means word. Shihua means truth, word that is reality. Shishuo shihua is a 4-character idiom. It means to tell the truth.
你怎么说的？
实话实说了。
我跟你说话能不能停下来？跟不跟我吃饭？
别拽我头发，放手。
停下来 means to stop. How to ask, can you stop? 你能停下来吗? As you can see, we add the particle ma at the end of the sentence to make a yes-no question. Another method to make yes-no question is verb plus bu or may plus verb. By using this method, we could say 你能不能停下来? Is there any difference between these two methods? Ma suggests that the person asking the question is pretty sure that the answer is yes. But verb plus bu or may plus verb suggests that the person asking the question doesn't have any clue whether the answer is yes or no. Now let's get back to the sentences of the video. First one, 你能不能停下来? What does it mean? Can you stop or not? The person who is asking this question can't guess whether the answer is yes or no. Second one, 跟不跟我吃饭? 跟 means to follow. Do you follow me to have lunch or not? He can't guess whether the answer is yes or no.
我跟你说话能不能停下来？跟不跟我吃饭？
别拽我头发，放手。车呢？那是我蹭的，但我太忙了，我没时间修。
车呢？那是我蹭的。The car, I scratched it. What's the function of n? In spoken language, n is used to mark a pause. For example, as for the car, make a pause here, I scratched it. 那是我蹭的。蹭 means to scratch. Again, we've got the structure sh plus sentence plus the. This structure is used to talk about details like what, why, when, who. Here it emphasizes on who. Who scratched my car? It was me who scratched the car.
车呢？那是我蹭的，但我太忙了，我没时间修。
哎，
干嘛？
我来开，你坐车，快去。
干 fourth tone. It means to do. 你干什么? What are you doing? There's a more informal way of saying 你干什么, and that is 你干嘛? Kai means to drive a vehicle. 我来开. What does it mean? Does it mean I come to drive? 来 is used before a verb to indicate a suggested action. So, 我来 plus verb is a pattern that means let me do something. So, 我来开 means let me drive. Another example, 我来介绍 let me introduce.
干嘛？
我来开，你坐车，快去。
我看出来了，你根本就不是来找我吃饭的，你是来要这车的吧？
How to say I've come to see you. 我来见你. This is the simplest form. We could put more emphasis, using the structure 是 plus sentence plus the. Apart from emphasizing details like what, when, where. This structure is also used to emphasize purpose and aim. So, 我是来见你的 means my purpose of coming here is to see you. In the video, the woman says, 你是来要这车的吧? It means you have come for the purpose of this car. Also, 你不是来找我吃饭的. You haven't come after me to have lunch. Your purpose of coming is something else. The full sentence in the video is 你根本就不是来找我吃饭的. 根本 means at all. It's usually used in negative sentences. 找 here it means call on somebody, go to see somebody. 就 is used for emphasis. You haven't come after me at all to have lunch. Before we move on, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
开完会了。
我还没开完会呢。
1. It's a result complement which expresses the idea of completing an action. The structure is verb plus 1. Like 吃完, it means eat and finish. Note that if the verb has an object, 1 must come between the verb and the object. So the structure is verb plus 1 plus object. Like 吃完饭, eat and finish the food. Here, 吃 is the verb and 饭 is the object. 开会, to have a meeting. 开 is the verb and 会 is the object. How to add 1 to 开会? Is it correct to say 开会完? No, it's incorrect. Because 开会 is a separable verb composed of 开 as a verb and 会 as an object. So 1 must be placed between 开 and 会. 开完会. 你开完会了. What does it mean? You held the meeting and finished it. Here's a question for you. 说话 means to speak, literally to say words. How to say, I said and finished my words? Write down the answer in the comment section. Watch the video until the end and you'll find the answer.
开完会了。
我还没开完会呢。
陈老师，
那我怎么回去啊？
你打车回去啊？
你打车回去. 打车 means take a taxi. 回去, go back. Literally, the sentence means you take a taxi and go back. As you can see in this sentence, we have two verbs which come right after each other. The first verb is 打车, take a taxi, and the second verb is 回去, go back. It's quite common to have consecutive verbs in Chinese. One function of consecutive verbs is to express means or manner of doing something. The first verb expresses the manner. Here, taking a taxi is the manner of going back. It means by taking a taxi, go back. Another example. 我用铅笔写信. In this example, the first verb is 用, to use. And the second verb is 写, to write. Literally, this means I use a pencil and write a letter. That is, I write a letter with a pencil. The first verb 用, to use, expresses the manner. By using a pencil, I write a letter.
陈老师，
我怎么回去啊？
你打车回去啊？
Now let's get back to the question of this video. How to say, I said and finished my words. 我说完话了。Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.